Okay, so UGC creators are charging thousands of dollars to create product ad videos for brands. And brands are paying that much because good UGC content actually converts and sells. But what if you could create the exact same professional looking UGC ad video yourself using completely free AI tools? No expensive models, no studio, no camera, no budget needed. Whether you are a small business owner wanting to create ads for your own facial cream or a skincare product or a freelancer creating UGC content for clients, this video is going to completely change how you work. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional UGC ad video from scratch using free AI tools. Let's get into it. Here is the full process we are going to follow today. We start with a facial cream product photo. Then we generate a professional AI model image. Then we create an image of that model interacting with the cream. And finally, we turn that into a UGC style video. All free. Let's start. First thing you need is a clean photo of your facial cream. This can be your own product or a client's product if you're doing UGC work for someone else. Try to use a clear image with a clean background if possible. The cleaner the product photo, the better the final results will be. Just have it saved on your computer and we are ready to move on. Now we are going to generate a professional AI model image using Nano, which is Google's AI image generation model. Go to Gemini, link is in the description. Sign in with your Google account. Once you are on Gemini, go to Tools and click on Create Image. Now type your prompt into the prompt box. Since our product is a facial cream, we want a model that fits a skincare look. Think about gender, age, skin, type, outfit and pose. For a facial cream, the best pose is a close-up shot with the model's hand slightly raised near their face. This will make it easier to show the model applying or holding the cream later. I'll put a detailed example prompt in the description below. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and save the best result. Now we are going to combine the model image with your facial cream photo. This creates an image showing the model actually interacting with the product. Go back to Gemini, click on Tools and Create Image again. Click on the plus icon and upload the model image and the product image. This time, describe exactly how you want the model to interact with the cream. Also describe the product clearly so Gemini understands what to include. For example, the model gently applying the cream to her cheek, soft natural expression, clean bathroom background, and soft natural lighting. Generate multiple versions and save the most realistic one. Now we have our final image ready. Time to turn it into a video. Go to Luma AI, sign in with your account. New users get 3000 free credits, so you can generate multiple videos without paying anything. Inside Luma, click Board to create a new board. Right-click anywhere, select New Video and choose Kling 2.6. Upload the image generated in step 3. If you want background sound or AI audio, enable Include Audio. Now type your prompt, select your aspect ratio, choose your video quality. 720p works perfectly for social media and saves credits. Then choose your video duration. 5 or 10 seconds works great. Finally, click Create. Within a short time, your image transforms into a smooth UGC style video. Preview it and download it if you are happy with the results. And that's it. Your UGC ad video is ready. So that is the complete process. Product photo, AI model, model with facial cream, and finally a UGC ad video. All done using completely free AI tools. This process used to cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Now you can do it yourself in under an hour for free. Are you going to use this for your own product or for a client? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials. See you in the next one.